Hi, let's get started with setting your banner up for CCPA or other state laws compliance. First of all, assuming you have already activated the banner, let's navigate to Settings, Banner, and set up the behavior of our banner. Assuming that you only have visitors from the US or other countries outside of the EU, you can choose one of the following. We recommend the Preferences banner, which is more complete. So I will select that one. Now let's set up the geolocation of our banner, meaning in what regions is the banner going to show up. We can navigate to Settings, Geolocation, and select where the banner is going to show up. In our case, since we only care about the US, we can add the US state laws. If you also have visitors from other countries like Canada, Brazil, you can also add these regions. Alternatively, if you don't mind showing the banner to everyone that visits your store, you can just choose Global Visibility. Click on Save, and now you should have a good banner setup for CCPA.